Financial goals. How do you estimate the future value of a financial goal? Amit and Shobha would like to invest in a mutual fund for the higher education of their children. They have been told that over a long period, their investment would grow into a sizable amount due to the power of compounding. They intend to invest over the next 15 years. They are, however, not sure how they should estimate the amount they may need at the end of that period. How can they find this out? Amit and Shobha have to make estimates of two key elements. The first is the amount of money they may need for each child's education. This can be estimated by looking at what higher education costs today. Then they have to estimate what the cost would be 15 years from now. For this, they will need to estimate the rate of inflation that may apply to education expenses. Given a positive rate of inflation, they will need a higher amount 15 years from today. They can do their computations using the FV function in Microsoft Excel. They can open an Excel worksheet and key in their numbers in the cells. Let us assume that the education they plan for their child costs 8 lakh rupees today. What would be the value of this goal 15 years from now? Let us assume an inflation rate of 9%. To compute the future value of the goal, click on FX from the status bar at the top of the sheet. Enter the inflation rate here. Against NPER, enter the period after which the amount is needed. The next parameter, PMT, can be skipped. Against present value, enter the current cost of higher education. The value to be entered is negative, since this is money to be spent today, the future value of which is to be estimated. The next parameter, type, can also be skipped. The resulting amount is 29,13,986 rupees. This is the amount Amit and Shobha will need at the end of the 15-year period given their assumptions. Microsoft Excel can be used to make such estimates of goals and give them a definite number. In the examples here, we have not used PMT as this will apply if the amount is not a lump sum but required periodically. The PV is the present value, which is the current cost of education. FV is the future value that is being estimated over a 15-year period, assuming a 9% increase in the PV. Amit and Shobha can juggle the numbers to see how their requirement can vary depending on their assumptions, cost of education today, number of years, and rate of inflation. Saving for a goal is easier when it is estimated in advance.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.